Has the world ever truly comprehended the magnitude of the atomic bombings that once shook the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? The events of August 1945 marked a turning point in human history, forever changing our understanding of warfare, technology, and the immense power that humanity wields, for better or worse. In the 1930s, the world was in turmoil. The Great Depression had left economies shattered, and political unrest was brewing. In this backdrop, scientists were making strides in the field of nuclear physics. The discovery of nuclear fission in 1938 sparked a race amongst nations, a race to harness the unimaginable power of the atom. In 1942, the United States launched the Manhattan Project, a top-secret initiative with one goal: to build an atomic bomb before the Axis powers. Over the next 3 years, thousands of scientists, engineers, and laborers would work tirelessly on this monumental task. Then came August 6, 1945. The B-29 bomber Enola Gay soared over Hiroshima, releasing Little Boy, the world's first deployed atomic bomb. The city was decimated. Approximately 70,000 lives were extinguished in an instant, and nearly as many were injured. 3 days later, history repeated itself over Nagasaki. This time, Fat Man was the harbinger of destruction, claiming a further 40 to 70,000 lives. The two bombings combined resulted in more casualties than any single event in human history. Yet the bombing's impact extended beyond the immediate devastation. In the aftermath, survivors, known as hibakusha, faced a lifetime of physical and psychological trauma. The environmental effects were equally catastrophic, with radioactive fallout contaminating land, water, and air. The bombings also marked a shift in global politics. The world had witnessed the destructive power of atomic weapons, leading to an arms race during the Cold War and the establishment of the United Nations International Atomic Energy Agency. In this video, we've journeyed through the events leading up to the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the tragic days of August 1945, and the aftermath that continues to reverberate today. We've explored the scientific developments that made the bombings possible, the human cost of this deadly technology, and the long-term impact on global politics and the environment. As we reflect on these events, it's crucial to remember the lessons they've taught us about the power of science, the cost of war, and the responsibility that comes with wielding such immense power. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki serve as a stark reminder of the destructive capability of mankind and a warning for future generations to tread the path of peace and diplomacy, lest history repeats itself.